We're down here in Las Vegas at EMS once again. We have a 20 by 40 foot booth. I added 3 containers, a 10 footer, 40 footer, and a 20. This year we added an Indy car to make it that much more exciting.
So with the IPME booth this year, we decided to go with the double-decker system. We wanted to go with the shade container up top to show the full capabilities of what IPME is available to do. We got handrails, we got extra lights, we've gone with full cam lighting upstairs, we've gone with a B-matrix style framing for graphics. We're showing standard F-track. And then behind us, we have our F1 car inside the container with a soft glow light, so they're featuring our new Designs to Go system for F1 races.
We're very much a modulated system, so it's all designed about ease, efficiency, the reduction of forklift moves. This system only took 3 hours to install the main structure, and then we wound up putting in our additional 12-foot deck and stair for another 45 minutes. Everything's engineered intuitively to snap together.
IPME and shipping containers are great for clients that are looking for outdoor events, that are looking for double-deckers, or for large modular structures like this, where you would need a smaller structure for your smaller 10 by 10s or 10 by 20s, and then a flagship for your larger events.
You're going to use shipping containers because while it takes a really long time for us to put everything together, and we're going to work hard on the back end to build and bring your vision to life. But when we get here, it's not plug and play, but we can pop this thing together, custom built wherever, even if you have a really limited time to set up.
We have these Lego pieces that can go in any which way that we'd like, and so we can be creative with our clients in a way that I don't see everywhere.
We're always that space that people tend to remember because it's different, it's beautiful, and it has that edgy look and vibe about it that draws attention to it. For major brands, it's just perfect.
I think architectural standpoint, it's very prominent. It really leaves a lasting impression. It's very good for our brand. We want to show kind of our attribute of uniqueness and different attributes associated to what we offer.
We wanted the space to feel as big as possible, right? Given the 20 by 40 foot space, and inviting at the same time with high ceilings and dramatic in the sense, if I'm taking a 40 foot container spanning to a 10 foot container, it feels like everything's on edge and dramatic.
What I'm most proud of our booth here at IPME this year is what we've been able to pull together, from the hanging chandeliers,
The chandeliers.
Shipping container chandeliers,
to the full container builds, showing that IPME isn't just a container fabricator. We are your one-stop shop for all fabrication elements.
oh man, oh what the,
Winning Best Booth just says a lot about what we've always inspired to do as a team. I'm super proud of our team. They pulled it together. We had a really short timeline to pull this off. I'm just so proud of the team that pulled it together and it just kind of made the impossible happen.